Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is going to be on how I receive free makeup. And this is something that everybody should know about because honestly anybody can receive free makeup. You do not need to have a YouTube account. So I think this app is bomb and it is called Influenster. So Influenster like teams up with different brands, and basically what you do as the consumer, you answer questions and review products that you already have, and then Influencer kind of tries to cater towards what you may like. So this is my third box that I've received, and the first box I received was a Ole Henriksen face mask, and then the second box was a mask, some gum, and like shampoo and conditioner, and they were all samples, so it was like a survivor kit. And then this third box I'm so excited for, and this is the reason why I'm making a video, because the other two I didn't want to make a video on because it wasn't that exciting for me, but this excites me because it's free makeup.
Who doesn't like receiving free makeup, guys?
This time around they sent me the new Rouge signature lipsticks from Loreal, and I wanted to try these out for you guys and also just let you guys know about Influencer, because this is the third box I've received and it's not a scam and it's so easy to do, and you don't need a YouTube. Repeating that because people think that you need a YouTube to do things and get things to review, and that is not true. So what they ask of you in return of them sending you free products is you giving an honest review, and you do not need to give a good review. You do not need to give a good review. You need to give an honest one. So the last box I received had a coconut mask on it, and I did try it out and that thing broke me out. So in my review I wrote that it broke me out. Did they chastise me? No, they actually sent me another box. So they do not reprimand you for writing bad reviews on their products. So I think that that ensures that they're a really good company and app to work with. And now we're just gonna get into the lipsticks. So the Rouge signature matte colored inks retail for around $10. Depending on where you get them, but at Target they retail for $10 exactly. And the three shades that L'Oreal and Influencer have sent me are I Create, I Am Worth It, and I Rule. So my swatching on my lips will go from the lightest shade to the darkest shade since they're supposed to stay in the lips. We're just gonna start with I Create, and this is how it swatches on my hand. So it's V-Opaque just right off the bat, and it felt super liquidy. So now we're just gonna apply it to the lips. So again, this was I Create, and as I was applying it, I realized that it felt like I was applying actual water on my lips. It was kind of weird, but now it has dried down, and I really do like the shade that it dried down to, even though it's a little different than the tube. And now we're just gonna see if it's kiss proof. So not kiss proof, but not a deal breaker for me because a lot of things are not kiss proof for me. But we're gonna move right over onto the next shade, which is I Rule. So on the hand, let's see how it differs from I Create. Definitely different from the first shade. Now we're just gonna apply it. Alright, so that is how that shade applied on the lips. It's definitely more pink than the first shade, but I do like both of the shades thus far, and they do feel consistent in the way that they feel, like that liquidy feel, then drying down to a matte. And I have a feeling this won't be kiss proof either, but we'll still try. And yeah, so definitely not kiss proof at all. So it's bonus entry question time, and the first question is pretty hard. So what is the name of my favorite eye brush? And just for reference, this is how it looks, but I say the name of it in one of my videos and I tell you guys that it's my favorite, and I tell you guys to remember that I said that. So the second question is, how did I get into makeup? And this is also a story that I told in one of my videos, so good luck finding that, and we're gonna continue on with the swatches. So now to the last shade that they sent me, and this is I Am Worth It. This is the red, and I'm super excited to try this one out because reds get me really excited. Just to let you guys know that this lipstick stained so much, but it looks so pretty. All right, and it did say that it like stained your lips, but wow, it like changed color too, but that's pretty. But now we're just gonna put a little bit of concealer on my lips because I don't want to take any pigmentation from the red. This is actually not concealer, it's the P. Louise eye base. I don't know why I did that, but we're just gonna dull down that pink. And now we're just gonna swatch the red, which is I Am Worth It, on my hand. So off the bat, I feel like this red is a little bit more pink toned and not actually like a true red, but we're gonna try it on the lips and see how that goes. So as I predicted, this red is not a true red. It looks pretty red from the tube, but it applies more pink, and not gonna lie, I do like it. I still do like it, but it's not the red that I thought it would be. But that's how it goes, and then we're gonna kiss my hand again to see if it's kiss proof. That left more residue than the other two, so I would be cautious about kissing people on the cheeks with this lip on. But it does make my teeth look whiter, so that is a plus. And yeah, if you're not into crazy like true reds, maybe this one is more suitable because it does err on the pink side and it does look really nice, honestly. But do I recommend these? I haven't used them throughout the whole day and I haven't tried drinking anything, but from the application I would, and I actually feel like I might purchase some more because I saw this like brown toned pink that I really want to pick up, and I'm excited because I already know how they feel. I already know that they feel like nothing on the lips, and that's pretty weird. I don't know what kind of technology they put into this, but it felt like I was applying water. And then to give you guys a little bit of the staining quality, I just tried wiping them off of my hand. And the first one, the nude one, the I Create, wiped off pretty well, still left a little bit of stain. The second one, I Rule, left a little bit more of a stain. And then the third one, which is the red, I Am Worth It, left a huge stain. So they definitely weren't playing when they said that it stains, but I'm so happy to have received these items to review for you guys. And if you guys have not checked out Influenster, please check it out because it's such a dope app. This is my third box and I love it. It's the first time I received makeup, and I'm excited because who does not like to receive free makeup? But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the shades and like how you feel like they performed on my lips down below. And yeah, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.